What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, do everything necessary to get this thing to live long, thrive, and survive. Let's go ahead and take a look at XRP here, guys. I'm noticing that we are getting some nice price action towards the upside right now, guys. We were talking about this potential upside just yesterday, and it seems to be actually playing out right here, guys. So what I'm going to tell you is that there is another perspective here that I want you to gauge things from, right? So I'm going to clean up some of these formations here that we kind of looked at right here, right? So let me show you this. Using this trend line here, right, we can kind of identify that this is the better part of an inverse head and shoulders, right? So this would actually give us a pretty nice upside target, opposing the one that we talked about yesterday, slightly higher. So it would be from this right hand shoulder, which could be the center of it right about now. Yeah, this is indicating a potential top side of 245 to about 240, 247-ish, right? That makes a lot more sense from yesterday's analysis, right, guys? And now I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this because that was the old inverse head and shoulders. Now that we have more shape, more data, we're able to observe different things. Now, here is another perspective that I would like to kind of add into this, right? So this is your head and shoulders formation, right? So we're going to just go ahead and put in here H and H. So the inverted H and H. And so we'll leave that as that. And then now this, guys, check this out. So it looks like we have also the breakout sequence that would happen here for a channel breakout, guys. And that would be observed something along the lines of this right over here, right? So let's just kind of go ahead and put together something like this here. So yeah, I'm looking at a few different things that could lead towards a channel here, right, guys? So if this is in fact the channel that we're breaking out of, this also does have an implied target to it. It's a little rough right now, right? But we can see this through the means of a 30-minute time frame as well, right? Connecting the dots a little tighter in here. But yeah, let me go ahead and adjust it instead, right? We'll use the 30-minute time frame just to get a little more grain in here and identify what those resistance levels could be. Just about, yeah, I'd say just about this area here, right? So now that we're actually within this convergence, right? I'm sorry, within this decline here, we're actually breaking out of the trend and we're testing this here so that we can continue towards the upside. If that is truly the case, then let's just go ahead and measure what this channel has in line, right? So this is how you actually get the price objective from the channel. And seeing that we've already broken out from this point here, this would be the first candle here with no exposure to the downside. That actually gives us a target of, guess what, right? Similar area that we were talking about just yesterday, right? So this is the channel breakout target. This is also the inverse head and shoulders target right in here. And it actually just happens to match with a major area of resistance right in this area here. Okay, guys, so that's kind of what I'm looking at. Another validation that we could be observing here is simply by the eyes of Bitcoin as well. This, Bitcoin here is still performing some higher highs from what we were looking at just yesterday, as we observed that this could have been the bottom side here, and we could now, actually, this was the entry that I kind of signaled for things to pull back just yesterday, guys. So we got the entry here, and now we're continuing towards that upside. So if you did catch this entry, congratulations. That was the breakout retest of your regression line, and for continuation towards the upside, right? So remember that this formation here has a great strike rate, right? Your descending wedge. This is leading towards a topside target of roughly around 90,100. And I mean, not only to mention that is that the Alpha 1 indicator, guys, is actually flashing a buy signal right now, and it has since, right? It definitely hasn't actually given us a sell signal just yet. So this is very powerful. Notice right up here that the Alpha LITE has given us the sell signal down here, right? We ended up getting that cover from the areas of around 2. Guys, this was just yesterday. So Friday here, Friday, just a couple hours after I analyzed this thing sold, right? Came back down here. This is where it covered that position. It actually ended up getting another sell here, but we have the buy completely confluent right now to the 214 bottom, and now it's continuing towards the upside here, and it's still gaining some strength as we speak right now from that buy side. Okay, guys, so this is looking pretty good, and please remember that this is actually coming down to maybe the final day today, guys. So we're going to be offering the Alpha LITE. Okay, so today is the final day. Please make sure to hit that link at the top right hand corner to own this Alpha LITE at a very, very tiny rate, guys. You'll own it for life, and forever you will be able to use this, guys. So this, I mean, having targets like this by an algorithm, man, that's what more do you want, right? I mean, it's absolutely powerful that you're getting an instrument to tell you this rather than a discretion, right, guys? For those of you that already have it and those of you who already paid for it, just wait up, guys. I'm going to go ahead and give you the access here just today, right? So congratulations and welcome to the team, you guys, all right? But anyway, yeah, so now observing the topside targets, guys, I do think that this is highly, this is a high probability here. Now, observing volatility versus momentum could be something that we should be kind of considering here, right? So why don't we just go ahead and pull up the workings of stochastic momentum versus volatility, get rid of some drawings here, and start looking at the probabilities on this upside. Let's go to the hourly time frame, right? Hourly time frame, yeah, we're getting a little bit of a pop here, 25 minutes to close that hourly. This is likely to start expanding. Remember, your volatility would be your acceleration, right? So think of acceleration on volatility, and this would be your direction bias. So here, we're about to, it feels like it's about to revert, guys, and go towards that expansion phase. With an upside bias, we're accelerating towards the upside, aren't we? So 10-minute time frame, guys, also look at this. We're reaching critical contraction and it's about to shift towards that upside. Seeing that we have 4 minutes to close on this massive 10-minute bar, look at that thing just go right now, guys. So it's looking pretty damn good to me, and it feels like the algorithm is absolutely suggesting that continuation pretty nicely. Even from a 10-minute time frame, guys, this has already signaled the buy signal here just at about 10:40 a.m. Pacific time. We're at 1:30 p.m. Pacific time now. So yeah, this has been from this bottom side here to this upside. Still no sell signal in line. Looking very good and actually suggesting still. All right, guys. So now to continue from here, let's take a look at your 15-minute time frame, right? So this is actually starting to shift towards an upside too. Volatility likely to start expanding. 30-minute time frame already has that upside. The hourly has that upside, and then as soon as these 23 minutes are over, very likely volatility would start now shifting towards that upside. Bi-hourly time frame would have an upside too. Look at this. We're already starting to expand a little bit beyond that 15%. 3-hour time frame, let's see, this has 2 hours to go, so that's already pretty good. I would say that we have a total upside right now worth at least, wow, oh crap, okay, damn, still upside on the 12-hour, damn, daily time frame. All right, so it looks like we have about 2 days of worth of upside here. So let's go ahead and pull up one of the algorithms that are available to you when you join the ARCa Bulls trading team, and that would be data cells. So this is actually what I'm seeing here, right? ATR top on this could be, guess what, right? I just mentioned that we have about 2 days worth of upside regarding the current signals, and look at that right there, guys. That is your current read for potential top side. Of course, we are looking at the targets of around $2.50, and that is the area where I'm saying that we might actually be going through the means of some discretion here, guys, right? So this is these are your formation breakouts, and here are your targets, right? 240.57 to 250.06. Let's go, team. All right, I love it, man. So if any questions, guys, you guys know where to reach me, right? Make sure to reach out to me, guys. When you do buy the alpha LITE, make sure to send me to the ARCa Bulls email, right? To the arcabulls@gmail.com. Send me your TradingView username and your proof of purchase, and I will go ahead and give you your access to your new algorithm. Okay, guys, arcabulls@gmail.com. Also, guys, the Strategies Mentorship Program is going to be starting here pretty soon, so make sure to get in touch with me for learning how to trade strategies in the financial markets. All right, guys, so I love you all very much. I think this is a pretty good place to leave off. If any questions, you know where to reach me, and we shall do the damn do. All right, guys? All right, team, I love you. I'll talk to you very, very, very soon. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever, ever. I need you to do your own due diligence, and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well, a very, very good rest of your night and or day. And I will catch you at the bell mañana. Adios, team. Oh yeah.